kits. I love kits. Big kits, small kits, kits that are barely there, large and squishy kits, and small and firm kits. They're all magnificent and they all have a purpose. However, there is a missing kit. What I don't have is a car kit. Not necessarily a kit of car tools, but a collection of useful things where size and carrying weight isn't much of a concern. Here's the contender. It's actually sold as a sandwich tin, but I spotted it on sale at a silly cheap price. I think it was about £4. I thought that could be useful. So what's going in this kit? Let's knoll. First, there's this Barco mini set with a selection of bits, sockets, socket holder and a tiny ratchet. This Vessel ball-handed driver that comes with 6 heads on 3 bits. This handy little torch with various modes. That's super bright and regular. And on the side, a white light, infrared, red flashing, and American police car. It also has a magnetic base, which is handy, and is USB rechargeable. Binder clips, because they're always useful. A hot melt glue stick and a lighter, butane refillable. Zip ties, plastic and metal. A Sharpie permanent pen with rolls of electrical insulation tape and cloth mending tape, about ½ meter of each. I've got a couple of these dehydrated towels, which if you get your hands dirty, run one of these under a tap and it expands to a thin cloth hand towel. And finally, a pair of these non-latex work gloves. But wait, bonus feature. Remember those magnets in the lid, which hold the screwdriver bits in? Well, imagine you're working on the car and you need somewhere to put nuts. Boom! Magnetic parts tray. Clever, innit? I am clever. I think I'm clever. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed already, give us a subscription, because it's so very close to 1,500 subscribers, and at 1,500 subscribers there will be a giveaway, and it'll be a good one. Anyway, bye!